Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with a Valentine set of nails. We are using the Tears Beauty monomer, and the first acrylic we are going to be using is Radiant White, and we're going to try and create a love art, well half a love art on one side of this particular nail. Using a smaller A6 brush, I think it is, from Crystal Nails, and just patting it down and making the shape until I'm happy with it. Once we're happy with that, we're coming in with some rainbow hearts from Glitter Planet, and we're just going to place that over the top of the heart we've just created. I'm not particularly bothered in there being the right way up or anything like that. I just thought it'd be nice to have a heart within a heart. I'm going to pat them into place and make sure there's nothing overlapping. Once we're happy with that, we're going to then use the Tears Beauty in clear and encapsulate that in, and just keeping that heart shape. Then we're going to do the other half of the heart on the opposite nail, so that when they meet up they should become one big heart. Although on mine I didn't quite line it up on one hand, unfortunately. This side ended up being slightly smaller too, but I ain't too fussed. At least I've got some nails on. And again, we're just using those hearts again, just to place inside, and capping it again with the crystal clear acrylic. Once we've done that, we're going to come in with Tears Beauty in Pink Tutu. We're just going to lay an ombre at the cuticle end of the nail. Not too fussed over it covering it properly. I was just putting a base layer down because we will be covering this up later on. And then we're going to come in again with that pink tutu on the pointy finger, and we're going to do the whole of this nail with the pink tutu. It's a lovely, lovely pink, very pale pink. Then we're going to come in with Glitter Planet's flares. I think they're holographic flares, I think they're called. I don't show you putting them all on, just a few, because my camera just kept coming out of focus. It drove me potty with this video. And then once we're happy with that, we're going to cap it in clear, and then we're going to use Bunny Boiler from 2am. And I had an attempt at doing the clouds. Didn't really work out as well as I thought, but I've never done them before. You'd think it'd be easy, but I actually found it quite difficult, which is a bit silly really, considering I've done much more detailed work in the past. But if you don't use your skills, you do tend to lose them. Again, out of focus. This camera really drove me potty during this filming of this video. I do apologise. We're using a Tears Beauty nail art brush here, the smaller one out of the two, and a dotting tool. I thought this cloud was a little too high, so I'll come in with a nail art brush just to remove a little bit. It's got some alcohol on it. Then we're going to come in with Hot Pink from Tears Beauty, and we're going to apply this over the whole of the thumb. And then we're back on the pinky to create the ombre. As I say, I'm not too fussed about getting the ombre perfect, as we are coming in with a glitter. Once we've done that, we're then going to come in and cap that thumb again in the crystal clear, and then we're going to use the pink Prosecco glitter on this pinky. And the reason I've done all the other colours beforehand is so that the glitter doesn't actually get mixed in with the colours that I don't want glitter on. And then once I've capped that ombre, we're going to come in with a file and file around these hearts to make sure they've got a bit of a better crisper edge. It's a little bit fiddly, I'm not going to lie, but I got there in the end. Once we've done that, we're going to again use the pink Prosecco acrylic glitter from Tease Beauty, and we're going to cover both those nails, but it's got the hearts on. I have to say I'm not a big fan of pink, even though I know I'm doing pink nails right now, but this pink Prosecco is absolutely stunning, and I really don't think the camera does it justice. It's my favourite glitter acrylic from them to date. I'm just going to repeat this process on the opposite finger, and don't worry too much if some of it goes over the heart, because we're going to file that off shortly. And here we are, we're just coming in with an e-file to reveal that heart from any of the pink Prosecco that's gone over the top. Again, I've got to apologise for the blurriness of this camera. And then we're going to use the Nails foil glue, and we're going to go around the heart using this foil glue. It's again a bit tricky because you can't really see being clear. I think maybe I should have used a gel polish first, then put it over the top. And then we're using the Lucente foil in magenta. Once that's cured, we're going to rub and then dab it in, because I did miss a few places, and I also got it in places I didn't want, so you'll see me there scraping it off with my other nail. And then I'm coming in again with more foil glue to match up where I've not quite got enough glue on there. Cure it and come in again with the foil, and we're just repeating the process yet again on the other finger. Again, I had a bit in places where I didn't want it, so I'm just scraping it off. And then we're going to put the foil glue on the thumb, and we're using this foil from AliExpress. It was only a small piece that I had, and it just said love on it. Or it just says love in all different sizes. I think it's the same font. And then we're going to apply that and rub again until it's stuck. And then I noticed there was a couple of roses on the opposite side of that paper, so I thought I'll just do a couple of roses on my pinky. Once we're done, we're going to come in with an on-white top coat and cure that in the lamp. And this is the finished nails, guys. So thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and I shall see you again soon. Bye.